Hello everyone! So welcome back to another vlog. So for today's video guys, I am going to town at kasi meron nag-sponsor sa akin ng mga inasal. So craving satisfied na to. So ayan, thank you so much for the sponsor. So ayan, dito na ako sa daan. Ayan, sugar cane, sugar cane, sugar cane. So ayan, see you guys. I'll update you later. So, I'm here na guys. Sumakay na ako ng motor papunta ng crossing. So, pagdating sa crossing namin, jeep naman or bus yung sasakyan ko. So, ayan. Ito yung daan namin.
Forever glow like a flame that burns.
So, I'm here at the department store at City Mall guys. So, I try to hanap-hanap ng um, mabibili. Kaso sobrang mahal dito, grabe. So this is my order guys. Icho manok, one rice only, and yes, hindi mawawala yung chicken oil. Sayang. Sayang, wala silang wala silang halo-halo. Wala silang halo-halo.
It's so intense. In every moment, my love will be tense.
So wala silang halo-halo. Sayang. Yeah. So, ito na yung time na pauwi na ako guys at nag-take out lang ako ng Jollibee for inside and for everyone. So, ayun na po. Thank you. Bye!